Hey everyone! Welcome to Simply English Routine.
Hi guys, I'm Lily, and this is my buddy Alex.
So today's topic is the classic, tell me about yourself.
Ugh, I know. It sounds like a job interview. So boring, right?
Yeah, but we're not doing that today. We're doing a real chat. No boring textbook phrases.
Perfect. Just simple, everyday English that you can actually use.
Exactly. But first, guys, please subscribe to our new channel. We want to help you practice English every day.
Yes, subscribing helps us a lot. Thank you so much.
Okay, Lily, let's practice. So, how are you really doing today?
Honestly, I'm a bit tired. Alex, I'm such a night owl.
Night owl? Oh, I see. What time did you go to sleep?
Around 2 a.m. I was caught up in a new series on Netflix.
I know the feeling. I used to do that, but now I'm more of an early bird.
Ugh, how? You wake up with the sun.
Yeah, around 6:30 a.m. I need my morning coffee and some quiet time before work.
Okay, that sounds peaceful. But 6:30 is way too early for me. So, we already know each other. But where are you currently based? Are you still in the city?
Yes, I am. But I just moved to a smaller apartment on the south side.
Oh really? Do you like it?
I love it. It's cozy. It's close to a nice park, but it's still noisy at night.
Tell me about it. My place is right above a busy street. The traffic never stops.
Do you live in a house or an apartment?
An apartment. It's small, but my sister and I made it cozy. We have lots of plants.
Plants, nice. I can't keep plants alive. Mine always die.
Haha, maybe I can help you with that later.
Okay, next question. What keeps you busy these days? What are you passionate about?
Ooh, good question. Right now, I'm getting into digital illustration. It's so much fun.
Digital illustration? On an iPad?
Yes, I spend all my free time drawing. I want to be a freelance illustrator one day.
Wow, Lily, that is cool. So, what do you do for work now?
Right now, I'm working in a bookstore. It's a nice job. I get to read a lot.
That sounds like the perfect job for you.
It is. What about you, Alex? What's your night?
I work in tech. I'm a web developer.
A web developer. Wow, that sounds difficult and very serious.
It can be, but I like solving problems.
Okay, last one. Besides drawing and work, what have you been doing for fun lately?
Lately, I've been getting into bouldering. Indoor climbing.
Bouldering? Indoors? Like climbing walls?
Yes, exactly. It's a great workout and it's very social. You should try it with me sometime.
Ha ha ha, I'm good, thanks. I prefer sitting on the couch.
We are so different, Lily.
I know, Alex. That's why we are friends.
Well, I think that was a pretty solid tell me about yourself, right?
Exactly, see guys, it's not that scary. You just talk about your vibe, your current passions, and what you've been up to lately.
Yes, and remember, keep it simple.
Exactly. Don't worry about perfect grammar. Just practice speaking.
Well, I think our time is up for today.
That was fast.
It always is. So to our amazing new viewers, we have a question for you.
Yes, tell us about yourself in the comments below. Right? Just one or two simple sentences?
For example, I am from, and right now I am passionate about.
We would love to read your answers and meet you.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching Simply English Routine. Let's make English simple, together.